What's going on, everyone? This is Desmond with Operation Work From Home, where I make videos showing how everyday people can make money with a cell phone or have a laptop. As long as you got a connection, I got you covered. Today's video, we'll be talking about how you can make money just doing side jobs. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's dig into it. So if you haven't heard of the Field Agent app, it is a great app that you can use to just do some side gigs just to make some extra money. We're going to check out, first thing you got to do before you get approved to do any jobs, you're going to have to go in and do the training center. It's some pretty simple, tests. You probably take 2 minutes to read it and then take the test to make sure that, kind of get you familiarized with what to do. Also, you come in here, you can just do some ticket jobs, and let's look at this right here. They have monthly drawings that you can do. If you come back in, you can get paid to buy and try different things. So on here it's saying, hey, if you go here, you buy and try this, they're gonna give you $3. So you're gonna buy it, and they're gonna reimburse you, and then they're gonna give you $3 on top of that. What else they got here? I'm going back to find jobs. Now the audits are the easy ones to do. So in this one, it's saying go to Kroger in this location. Let's find out what you got to do. So you're going to look at the cucumbers, and then you take pictures of the cucumbers, and just by doing that, take the photos and ask somebody that works at the store 2 questions, and then they will pay you $3 for that. So I'm backing out of that. But yeah, it's a real simple app to use. They'll pay you to do scavenger hunts. On here you can do scavenger hunts. Kind of show you what I've made $143 with this app, so it's real simple to do. And then if I'm going to the stores anyway, I'm gonna get paid for that, so it makes it really simple to do. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra money, this is the way to do it. And again, I will have the link down at the bottom. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.